morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your GK class. Student, today I will teach you lesson 3rd, that is good habits. Now let's start. Student, lesson 3. Okay, good habits. Now, habits define a person. We love to interact with people who have good habits and try to stay away from those with bad habits. Okay, it is important for us to practice good habits. They will keep us healthy and happy. Now student, exercise A, choose the habits maintained in the box and fill in the blanks as appropriate. Okay, so student, here have been given a help box with the help of which we will fill the blanks. Okay, now first we must wake up dash in the morning. So student, we stay healthy by getting up early in the morning. When you rise early, it eliminates the need to rush in the morning. Okay, you can then start your day on an optimistic note, and such positivity, okay, often stays with you throughout the day. So answer is early. We must wake up early. Okay, early. Next, second, we must take a dash every day. We must take a bath every day because it washes away bacteria and other irritant that could causes rashes and other skin problems. Morning bath improve our blood circulation. So answer is bath. Okay, we must take a bath every day. Now third, we should study dash in our seats. Student, we should study quietly in our seat so that the discipline of the class can be maintained and the student who is sitting next to us does not get disturbed. So answer is quietly. Okay, quietly. Now fourth, we must speak dash in a library. Student, we must speak softly in a library. Library is indeed a place to read, but loud noises are disturbed when reading. They might also be unable to concentrate on something because of the loud noise. So answer is softly. Okay. Now, fifth, we should dash the old and needy people. Student, we should help the old and needy people because millions of people are starving and forced to live a life in the absence of basic amenities. Okay, so they do not have food, clothes and homes to live safe and healthy. You can save somebody's life by making a donation that can help people in gaining basic amenities. Okay, so answer is help. Okay, help. 6. We should away dash our parents, teachers, we should always dash our parents, teachers and elders. So student, we should always respect our parents, teacher and elders. Okay, these qualities shows our upbringing and we become respectable citizen of the society. By giving respect to other, we get respected. Okay, so the dignity of our parents, teachers and elders should be maintained by us. Now answer, respect. Okay, now student, exercise B. Against each of the habits maintained below, write yes or no as appropriate. Okay, so first is, when someone is talking, we must patiently listen to them. Yes, well, having conversation with anyone, we should listen to the speaker carefully and should not speak unless and until that person completes. Okay, so answer is yes. Okay, now second, we should not cheat while playing a sport or writing our exams. Student, we know that honesty is the best policy and this policy should be kept in mind while giving the exams and playing sports. So answer is yes. Now student, third, we should interrupt people when they are talking to each other. Student, we should not do this because this shows our unruly behavior and our ill-mannered attitude. Okay, so answer is no. Now, fourth, we should ask permission to enter the principal's office. Student, as principal is a senior authority, so while entering his or her cabin, we should take permission. Okay, so answer is yes. Okay, now fifth, we should never make fun of someone. Yes, making fun of someone shows a disrespect towards him or her and also results into mutual rivalries. So we should not make fun of anyone. Okay, so fifth, yes. Now, 6. We should not cover our mouths while sneezing and coughing. So, student, no, because while sneezing or coughing, several germs come out that may causes problem to the person next to us. So, answer is no. 7. We should talk while our mouth is filled with food. No, student, because doing this lead to coughing. So answer is no. So student, today I have explained about good habits. Hope it would be clear. Now homework, learn lesson 3 of GK. Have a nice day. Thank you.